So I'm at a home inspection here for one of my buyers. This property already had a home inspection completed by a previous buyer and the deal fell apart. What I'm going to show you is the reason why you always get your own home inspection. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to walk through some bushes here because what I'm about to show you is kind of hidden. 19 years of selling real estate, I have never run across anything like this. And my clients would not have known about it if they did not get their own home inspection. So I'm going to flip this around. All right, it's going to get a little noisy because the air conditioner is on, but I'm going to walk through these bushes here. And show you this. There is water dripping. It's actually coming from behind the siding on the house. Lots of water been dripping. It has a very faint odor of chlorine, so I'm thinking there may be a leak in the solar up on top of the roof, but this was not discovered in the original home inspection. And you can see it's very wet. So this is one of the reasons why you don't just take any old home inspection and run with it. Hire your own professional. So I'm sure a lot of you are going to want to know who did the old home inspection that missed all this stuff. I'm not going to say. I looked at the report. It looks to be a professional report. It was also done back in February, and we're now sitting here in July. So it's 5-6 months old. Maybe this is a new development. So I'm not going to bash some other company, but what I will tell you is the person that found that issue, his name is Scott Storlie. He's with Integraspect Home Inspections. I've been working with Scott since when he started, almost 18 years now. Have probably used him on, 200 plus home inspections. Great home inspector. He's my preferred guy. And I would have him do a home inspection on my own house when the time came. So I'm going to put Scott's information below. If you are looking for a great home inspector in the Sacramento, El Dorado, Placer County area, reach out to Scott. He's fantastic. You won't be disappointed. So again, his info will be down below. And hope you have a great day.